Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to do an update on my Philodendron SUBHASTATUM. She is absolutely gorgeous. You can see here that her leaves are just huge. I love them. I don't know how big they're actually supposed to get, but look at the red. Look at the red on the back of these leaves. Gorgeous. Now this is a plant that I got for my birthday. I got the plant back in, I got it in December, if I remember correctly. My birthday is in January, so I'm going to turn her around so you can see the backs of these leaves, because they are just gorgeous. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at this one. Amazing. She was probably about, I don't know, this tall when I got her. She had just smaller leaves. She might have had this one. Oops, let me turn her back around. And make sure she's still in camera. But yeah, anyways, I am just super happy with this plant. She is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. Here you can see the red. That is gorgeous. But I keep her in higher light. She grew in my plant room all winter long in a south window, and about 3 or 4 feet in a south window, and then of course she's got grow lights all around her in my grow room. And I feed her fish emulsion every time I feed her, plus she gets worm castings once a month, and she grows fantastic. I let her dry down about halfway, because philodendrons usually like a lot of water. They have big root systems to back it up, so I do not let her dry down at all, not on purpose. Lots of food. Philodendrons love to eat, so you want to make sure anything in the aroid family that you're feeding them very, very well, because if you don't, your leaves aren't going to have the maximum growth that they should have. You'll end up with small leaves. The plant won't grow properly, and you might get deformed leaves. So you really want to make sure that you're feeding this plant. And as far as the color on this, the red color, it's just gorgeous. Now I do keep her in higher light, and yes, she is in a south window. I don't know, because I've never had her in any other kind of light besides that. So I don't know if the light has anything to do with the coloration or not. I have no idea. I know it's just the makeup of the plant. So, yeah, a very easy plant to take care of. She likes high light, not sunlight, and a lot of food and a lot of water, and she has grown like crazy for me. This is a plant that I got from Equigenera, and like I said, she was, I don't remember exactly, she might have been about this big. She might have had this leaf, I don't remember. I'd have to look back at pictures. But very easy plant to take care of, just like pretty much any other philodendron or any other kind of aroid. They're just loving life as long as you can give them that highlight and you're feeding them and watering them well. They love it. And the more light they're in, the more you're going to need to feed them and water them. But if you're keeping them in a lower light situation, you're probably not going to get the right kind of growth, which means there's going to be no sense in watering a lot or feeding a lot, because the plant isn't going to use it. But you put her in higher light and she's going to explode, and give her plenty of food. But I think that's it. I have not had any bug issues with her. So I can't really speak as far as any bug issues on this plant. I spray down my plants once a month with neem oil, just as a preventative. Plus it keeps the leaves really pretty and shiny and clean, and I like that too. And I also like the fact that it helps keep pests away. So I'm really happy with the way this plant has grown for me. It's a plant that I've wanted for a couple of years, and I'm glad I finally have her in my collection, because she is just absolutely gorgeous. And that's another great thing about this plant, I will say. Looking at her from the front, whether she's towards you, and I love the shape of the leaves, or if she's turned away and you're looking at the back of her, it just, either side is absolutely gorgeous. So, great plant if you can get your hands on this plant. It is a beauty, and it's super easy to grow. So, alright guys, that is it, and I am going to let you go. I just wanted to give you that update. I had a couple of people actually asking me about her because they had gotten one. So yeah, that's how I grow mine, and she's done fantastic for me, so I'm really happy with her. Alright, you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.